How to enable secondary verification in Binance. Start by launching the Binance app. Now, let's proceed to the next step. Tap on the icon at the top. Access your security settings by tapping on your username icon. From there, select Security. This will lead you to a menu housing various security options. Let's delve into the details of setting up secondary verification. Within the security menu, explore passkeys. Enhance your account security by incorporating your biometrics or other security keys. This adds an additional layer of protection to your Binance account. Now, let's proceed to the next option. Navigate to the Authenticator App section. Download and set up the Google Authenticator app from your preferred app store. This step is crucial for bolstering the security of your Binance account through two-factor authentication. Let's explore yet another valuable option. Consider using your email address as a verification method. This is the same email address you've already set up during the initial login process. This option provides an additional avenue for securing your Binance account. And there you have it. Select the option that aligns with your preferences and the level of security you deem necessary. Give it a try, and thank you so much for watching.